By default, Vyroq reads your replies from the same server you send from. But what happens when your provider splits, sending and receiving across two different servers? Suddenly, your reply tracking just stops working. Completely. That's exactly what IMAP Optional enables. Inbox polling for replies, solves inside your SMTP connection's advanced settings. Uncheck. Use same credentials for IMAP recommended and a dedicated panel opens. IMAP host, IMAP port, IMAP username, and IMAP password. Enter the separate server your provider actually uses for incoming mail. Flip on, use IMAP SSL if your provider requires it, and watch the live preview above update in real time. IMAP will connect to hostess, porter as username, SSS. So, you confirm the override before you even save. Hit save, and Vyroq polls their inbox every 5 minutes. Back on the connections table, IMAP last polled timestamps each successful check, and if credentials ever go stale, IMAP error surfaces the exact message right there, no support ticket needed. One override, and every reply finds its way back into Vyroq, accurately, automatically, every single time. Start yours free at vyroqi.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.